In this tutorial, we are going to show you how you can multiply in Microsoft Excel. It's an easy way to multiply in Microsoft Excel. Here you can see that A is a column and B is a column. We are going to multiply A into B, and the result will be stored in A into B. Here, let's click here and then enter equal, then below first column, that is A, and then find star button in the keyboard, which is used in Microsoft Excel as multiply icon. Here we are entering star, then again B, press enter. Look, 5 into 10 is equal to 50. This is how you can calculate multiply in Microsoft Excel. Drag and drop to the last cell. That's it. Thank you for watching the video.